happiness, and career growth. In an age where being busy is glamorized, learning how to live a balanced life is a radical and necessary act of self-leadership. A work-life balance course isn't just for people who are struggling, it's a proactive investment in your long-term health. It contributes to a healthier, more empathetic workplace. Managers who model balance and encourage their teams to do the same reduce toxic environments and boost morale, not harder, leading to increased job satisfaction and lower turnover. 8. Helps create healthier work cultures. When employees learn about balance, boosts performance and job satisfaction. Contrary to the hustle culture myth, people with better work-life balance are more productive and engaged. These courses help people work smarter. Courses can teach how to switch off, set digital boundaries, and create separation between professional and personal time even when working from home. Section essential for hybrid and remote work. In a world of hybrid jobs and digital workplaces, the line between work and life is blurrier than ever. A good course will teach how to recognize imbalance early, set healthy boundaries, and define personal success on your own terms, not just through job performance. 6. Set boundaries and invest quality time in personal connections. 5. Section promotes self-awareness and boundary setting. Many professionals don't realize how much work is bleeding into their personal lives. Relationships suffer. Courses focused on work-life balance help individuals reframe their priorities, lower healthcare costs, and a more energized life. 4. Section supports better relationships. When work consumes all your time and energy, overworking often leads to poor sleep, unhealthy eating, lack of exercise, and anxiety. Work-life balance training emphasizes habits that support overall wellness, leading to fewer sick days. Delegate and structure time efficiently, leading to higher productivity without overworking. 3. Improves mental and physical health. Teaches time management skills. Many people struggle with prioritization, time blocking, and saying no. These courses provide proven methods to manage workloads. A work-life balance course teaches practical stress management techniques, boundaries, and recovery strategies that help prevent exhaustion and emotional fatigue. 2. Why a work-life balance course is necessary with SAUF in survey. 1. Section reduces stress and prevents burnout. Chronic stress and burnout are on the rise, especially in demanding jobs or fast-paced industries. Always connected world. Learning how to balance professional responsibilities with personal life is not optional, it's essential. A work-life balance course is more than just a feel-good initiative, it's a crucial tool for long-term career success, personal well-being, and organizational productivity. In today's high-pressure,